Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove all borders from a table in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take a page. Then we create a table to remove all borders from table. Go to the Insert menu and click Table option. Then create a table. Now we can see here we create a table. Now we remove all borders from this table. Select the whole table, click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the design menu and click borders option. Then choose no border. Now we can see here removed all borders from table. Now we make sure this table border are removed. To see the surety, go to the file menu, click the print. Now we can see here print preview is not available table. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.